That's what I thought you said you wanted it to be a fake front, right? Ah. Bruh. What the fuck?
You see any damage?
What did it hit?
No, you hit my hand, my mirror, and my thing, and my foot. But I mean, I think I'm all right.
You good?
Oh yeah, you hit right there. How's your car?
It's just the mirror came off. That's valid.
You're good?
Yeah.
All right. No, like I said, I'm not mad. It was an accident.
No, I didn't know you was coming over though.
Yeah, no, I thought you saw me, and I was like, all right. And then I guess you didn't see me.
No, I thought you were staying in the lane because you looked behind me, so I just went around.
Yeah. Yeah, no worries, bro. Take it easy.
Be safe.
It was at this moment that she knew she up.
Demora pra passar. Vai fazer o que, né, mano? É vida. Caralho, mano, o que aconteceu ali? Porra, velho. Porra, isso é ruim. Meu Deus. Bom, aparentemente não. I realized.
Like, don't stop on sand. Sand, if you stop, you're fucked. Oh. There we go. Just go around.
That's what I was thinking.
Like, if you stop here, you're fucked.
Yeah, I realized.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What did I just pull up into a couple of guys that might want to race? I don't know if they're gonna race. Maybe, we'll see. See if they come back up. Oh, he's pulling up next to me, alright.
And we say bye-bye.
Hell yeah. That's what I love to see. God.
Oh, hell no.
Oh boy. Why? Why are they messing with us? What did we do? Another ticket. Okay, let's see what goes down here. What did we do?
60 to 35. Alright, give me just a second.
Ticket number 2.
Alright, gentlemen. Mr. You're on this one?
Yes, sir.
You have your registration on you?
I do. I know I got.
Does everybody have the registration on them?
I got that too. I'm a vet.
Okay. I'm a vet as well.
Okay.
The thing is, a lot of motorcycle complaints for speed. Alright, a lot of sports car complaints for speed. Okay. I understand these things can run a lot faster than that, but the thing is, if you want to do those speeds, you need to take them to a track. Alright, so y'all just hang tight. It's going to take me just a second, okay?
Okay.
And we'll help y'all out because y'all stop.
About to pull over. I wasn't sure if the lights were for us because I didn't feel like we were going that fast, but I was gonna. I'm like, I'm not gonna make him chase me if it's me. I was pulling over.
Yeah, I
I
checked.
saw you.
One of y'all was running 63, and I think it was you because you was catching back up to the pack. Catching back up to the pack. Yeah, because you were lagging behind, and then you started catching up to him. So I locked in a 59, so I got a 60, a 59, and a 63 is what I locked in.
I'll take the 59.
Well, this is what I'm going to do, okay? Too fast for conditions, no points in your license, is low to go. So I'm going to go ahead and give you all that heads up. And it doesn't report to your insurance company and stuff like that. But 60 to 35, 59 to 35, even 54 and a 35 is all points on your license. Okay?
Fair enough.
So we'll help y'all out since y'all are being good, but unfortunately I'm out here for this reason. So I kind of have no choice.
Okay. Fair enough.
Y'all just sit tight.
Thank you. All right.
Alright, so this is what we're doing, okay? I even marked it down. This is what I did for all y'all. Drop you back down to 48 and a 35 to ensure that no points get assessed to your license, okay? Alright, so.
Thank you for being cool about it.
Hey, my thing is, as long as y'all stop, I can work with y'all. My worst fear is somebody's going to run and get into.
People run or stop?
We've had them run before, and these roads are notorious for taking out vehicles. especially if they come up here and they know what they're doing, they flat out leave us and whatever. Okay, whatever.
Risk in my life for yours.
Yeah, exactly. But my fear is somebody that's going to come up here and they've been up here 3 or 4 times. They think they know the road. They're going to come up here. They're going to run, and the next thing you know, they're going to be off on the bluff.
Yeah.
I've seen it done before, just on normal wrecks. So okay. Y'all got your ride time in, so y'all be safe. Okay, ain't gonna hold you up no more. All right?
Thank you.
And that's a wrap.
So strong.